In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the Gmail, sorry, something went wrong there, try again error on Windows. We all know how essential Gmail is in our daily lives, whether it's for work, connecting with loved ones, or organizing our schedule. So when you encounter an error, it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward steps to get things back on track. First, we're going to navigate to Google and find advice tailored for this issue. Open your web browser and head straight to Google. In the search bar, type in, how to fix Gmail. Sorry, something went wrong there. Try again, error Windows. Hit enter, and this will direct you to search results specifically addressing this pesky error. Once you've searched, look for trusted resources or forums where users discuss similar problems. Websites like Google Support or reputable tech forums can offer insights into specific steps they've found successful. This approach ensures you're getting advice that has been validated by other users experiencing the same issue. Secondly, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, these files can accumulate and sometimes cause problems with website functionality, including Gmail. To clear your cache, open your browser settings, usually found in the top right corner of your browser, like the three-dot menu. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then hit Clear. Another valuable suggestion is to ensure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser might not support the latest features of web applications like Gmail. To update your browser, go back to the settings, find the About section, and look for update options. Follow the prompts to update to the latest version available. This simple step can resolve a variety of glitches, including the one you're facing. Additionally, try disabling extensions one by one. Some extensions, while helpful, may interfere with Gmail's operation. Head to the extension settings typically found in the main menu of your browser. Disable them and then check if the Gmail error persists. If the issue resolves after disabling a specific extension, you've found your culprit. Lastly, check your internet connection. Sometimes what appears as an error with Gmail could simply be a connectivity problem. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection by testing another device or website. If the connection seems unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. We've covered some effective ways to address the Gmail error on Windows. By using these practical steps, searching for tailored advice, clearing cache, updating your browser, disabling extensions, and checking connectivity, you should be well on your way to a seamless Gmail experience. I hope this guide helps you overcome the frustrating error, making your Gmail interactions smooth and hassle-free once again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.